Hello guys, let's explore combo box more, right? Uh, don't get tensed by seeing lots of text on the screen, okay? It's very easy example I have taken. But before we start with this example, let me give you one real-time example. What happens when you go on the Amazon or any other site? So they provide the category, right? Like you can use like a pair clothes, accessories, electronics, and like that. So many categories would be there, right? And then subcategories. So here we have a subcategories. If you have noticed that when you select the category, based on that category you can find the items in the subcategory, right? Like if I say electronics, if I select electronics category, then this combo box will be filled with all the electronics items, right? If I say clothing, in that case this field will be filled by all the items of the clothing, right? This thing happen with everyone, right? And we have seen this we have seen this example in our real world. And this thing, how can we do through the coding, that we'll see in this example. So to understand this concept, this logic, of course selected indexed changed is a default event. And when I say that when I change this value of this in at that time, I want to see the effect over here, means of course selected index changed is my default event of this category, right? And I want to write the code that whatever the category has been selected in this combo box, accordingly you need to fill or you need to add items in subcategory combo, right? So here, see, first let's see the output, then we will see the coding. Here we have one combo box and the another combo box. Two combo box we have, and in first combo box we have male and female. Two items we have. And what I want to do, if I select male, in the other time combo box there should be list of all the males, and if I select female there should be all the females. This I want. It is similar to the category and subcategory, right? How to do that? Okay, so here I am doing all the things at runtime, not adding anything through the at the design time, like go to the items, collections and all. So what I am doing, see, there is a form 1 and the load event of the form, what I want to do, I want to add items in this combo box. So what I am doing, combo box 1 dot items dot add. Add is a method. Remember, so the list of all the methods, add was the first method. So combo box 1 dot items dot add. What do you want to add? Simply provide your item name in the double quotes in the brackets as a parameter. So males. Then okay, there is a change, like it should be males, right? Yeah, this is not the same code and same output, that's why. But yeah, it's a males on the females. So if it's, and the second I want to add females, right? So females. Now if don't go for this as, guys, yeah, because input this code is from the different project and this output is from the different project. Okay, now after adding the value in the first combo box, I want to write the code that what if I select male, then the name should be something, and if I select female, item name should be something else. So see, first, every time when I click on this combo box should get clear, must get clear, right? Then only we can add the new items, right? So it should be cleared. If it has the items, it should be cleared first. So combo box 2 dot items dot clear. So first you need to do this thing. Then if if we know if else we have already used in the C, it is very similar to the C. If the combo box 1 dot selected item is the property, selected items is equal to males, means we are checking it. If it's males, then what do you want to do? In the combo box 2, the combo box 2 dot items dot add, what do you want to add? I want to add Nicholas, right? And other name John. You can add 3, 4, 5 multiple names, right? If it is not males, it means surely it is female, right? So else if the selected item is females, in that case add Alice and the Grace, right? So and if, so if you will select the male over here, you will see the Nicholas and John in the drop down, and if you will select the female, you will see the Alice and the Grace, right? So this is about the add method. It's easy, guys. So you can correlate this with your Amazon shopping category and subcategory, right? So add method, and also we see about the clear method we used here, right? Yeah. And then the insert method is also there, but if we talk in general, like adding something or inserting something, both are same, more or less both are similar. Then what is the difference between add method and the insert method? So here we have the example, like see, combo box 1 dot items dot add, and simply you can write the value or the item name in the double quotes, right? Simple, you can write this way. This is the add. And when you say insert, means combo box 1 dot items dot insert. So when you are using the insert, you also need to provide the index, like where you want to insert. Adding means it will always add the value at the end, right? But when you say insert, means at some particular location, at particular index, and you need to provide the index value along with the item name. So this is the way you can differentiate the add method and the insert method. You may see the list box 1 and checklist box. So list box 1 and checklist box both are more or less similar to the combo box, and this we will discuss in the next session. Right now just focus on this difference, like add is a method and insert is also a method. Then what is the difference? In add, you simply need to provide the item name, while in insert method takes two parameters, one in the index value and the second is the item name, and that is 2 in the double quotes, right? So this is the difference between add and insert. Still many methods, many properties are there that all you can explore in the practical. So for today's session, that's it. So combo box, add event, and how to use the if else. Of course, if else we will discuss more in the detail in coming sessions, but for now this is the content, right? Okay, so use this combo box in your practical and explore it more.